Welcome to Skill Development, Naipunya Vikasam, APSSDC, SchoolNet India Limited, Functional English, and Life Skills. I am Samskar Pinumaka, Functional English and Life Skills Trainer, working in GTWA Boys High School, Dharmamadi, Buttayudum Mandal, West Godavari District. Dear friends, today our topic is understanding issues that concern us and creating awareness towards coronavirus, that is COVID-19.
Hello, my dear friends. I'd like to make you aware of the present deadly issue, the dangerous disease, COVID-19, coronavirus. We know that the new coronavirus has been responsible for millions of infections globally, causing lakhs of deaths. The United States has been the highest number of these deaths. Most people infected with the COVID-19 virus will experience mild to moderate respiratory illness. Older people and those with underlying medical problems like cardiovascular disease, diabetes, chronic respiratory disease, and cancer are more likely to develop serious illness. The COVID-19 virus spread primarily through droplets of saliva or discharge from the nose when an infected person coughs or sneezes. Origin of coronavirus. Scientists found evidence of human coronavirus in the 1960s in the noses of the people with the common cold. Many health experts believe that the new strain of coronavirus likely originated in bats or pangolins. In 2019, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention (CDC) started monitoring the outbreak of a new coronavirus, SARS-CoV-2, which comes COVID-19. Authorities first identified the virus in Wuhan, China. It started transmission to humans from there. Since then, the virus has spread to nearly every country through person-to-person contact. Then it has been declared as a pandemic by the WHO. According to the CDC, people may start experience symptoms from 2 to 14 days after exposure to the virus. Medicine. At this time, there is no specific vaccine or treatment for COVID-19. However, there are many ongoing clinical trials evaluating potential treatments. The best way to prevent and slow down transmission is Be well informed about virus, the disease it causes, and how it spreads. Protect yourself and others from infection by washing your hands, using sanitizers, and not touching your face. The CDC recommended that all the people wear cloth face masks in public places. Maintain social distance by 6 feet or 2 meters from others. This will help slow the spread of the virus from asymptomatic people. Food to eat to develop immune system. Feeding your body certain foods may help keep your immune system strong, like citrus fruits, red bell peppers, broccoli, garlic, ginger, spinach, yogurt, almonds, sunflower seeds, turmeric, green tea, papaya, kiwi, poultry, shellfish, and daily food. Our state and central governments taking serious and emergency actions for this pandemic disease. If anybody finds the symptoms like a fever, chills, a cough, shortness of breath, sore throat, running nose, loss of taste or smell, nausea or vomiting, diarrhea, rush to the nearest hospital and tell the symptoms to the medical staff to cut the spreading chain.
Dear friends, please take assignment. The first question is, what is a coronavirus? The second question is, can coronavirus be transmitted to person? Third question is there a vaccine for a coronavirus? Fourth question is there a treatment for a coronavirus? The fifth question is, what can you do to protect yourself from coronavirus? Thank you very much for watching this video. Please support us by subscribing this channel.